Each year in Europe, the food industry discards millions of tons of vegetable residue, such as these green peas. Here in Italy, scientists are using them to make bioplastics, an innovative and ecological material. Non-marketable byproducts of legumes, such as peas, beans, and lentils, are experiencing a new life. Manufacturers tend to get rid of them despite the fact that they're rich in proteins and fibers and still have nutritional value. Within the framework of a European research project, a method has been developed to transform them into bioplastics. After washing, the vegetal waste is ground and then mixed with a special solution.
The proteins are made soluble in a buffer solution. Then there is a separation phase between the liquid part and the solid, fibrous part.
The fibers can be used to make composite materials, while the proteins will serve as the basic ingredient of a future bioplastic.
The final protein extract may contain some residual salts, but the percentage of proteins is very high, around 80%. Purity, especially for the protein component, is important as it helps improve the performance and characteristics of the final material, the bioplastic.
The result is a renewable resource, unlike oil, which is primarily used. The fields of application envisaged are varied, from food packaging to agriculture.
This is one of the polymers that we use in the mixture, as well as proteins and fibers. Through the hot mixing process, we get granules like this.
These granules were produced by another research center, a project partner in Slovenia. It's here too, in a small family business, that bioplastics were first used to make recycled flower pots. The granules are melted before being injected into a mold. These pots are fully biodegradable and compostable, giving nutrients to both soil and plants.
The material is biodegradable in home compost, so if you don't need it anymore, you throw it to the home compost, or even better, to put it to the soil. And in the soil, after 3-4 months, it's decompostable, and that's it. We made first samples of 1,000 pieces, so we see the production is okay, and now we are intensive looking for the right customers, for eco-farmers, for persons they don't want to waste all the plastic parts around.
The future looks promising for bioplastics and these ecological pots. Other innovations are expected, particularly in the sectors of agriculture and food packaging.